Brazilian waxing in 2025 isn't what it used to be. What started as a trend for minimal hair removal is now a form of personal style. People aren't just waxing, they're expressing themselves. From subtle shapes to bold statements, waxing is getting creative. Curious about what's trending now? Let's break it all down in today's video. Over the last 2 decades, Brazilian waxing was known for one thing: minimalism. A clean, sleek look was the standard for many. But today, in 2025, that standard is evolving. Now, waxing includes creative designs, skin treatments, and personal expression. The beauty industry has turned a grooming routine into a style choice. And clients are loving the change. So, why is this shift happening now? One reason: self-expression is at an all-time high. People want their grooming to match their identity. Social media also plays a big role. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram made personal care more visible and normalized. Finally, salons are innovating to offer more creative, skin-friendly services. The result? A trend that's stylish, shareable, and safe. Minimalist waxing still has its fans. It's fast, simple, and familiar. But maximalist waxing is where things get interesting. This includes patterns, shapes, and even color-safe tints. Some people add temporary glitter or skincare treatments. It's not just about hair removal anymore, it's about how you feel. It's style, skincare, and self-care wrapped in one. Around the world, waxing trends are also changing. In Brazil, natural shaping with soft contours is in style. In the US and UK, hybrid waxing combines waxing with laser treatments. In South Korea and Japan, hydration-based waxes are the top trend. Each country is adding its own culture and innovation to the process. It's truly a global movement. But is it safe? The answer is yes, if you go to a licensed professional. Modern wax formulas are gentler and made for sensitive skin. Vegan wax, temperature-controlled pots, and soothing gels are common now. Aftercare is just as important. Use calming products and avoid harsh scrubs. And if you're new, always consult with your esthetician before trying something bold. So, what does the future look like for waxing? Experts predict smart salons with AI-powered recommendations. Tools will scan your skin and suggest the best style for you. Wax pots may adjust heat automatically based on skin type. And waxing could become part of full digital self-care experiences. It's a high-tech future, and it's coming fast. Whether you prefer minimalist or maximalist styles, one thing is clear: waxing is evolving. In 2025, it's about more than hair removal. It's about expression, comfort, and creativity. What style would you try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty trends every week.